Okay, here's a bill I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace, actually for free today, clear across town. But it turns out it has a triple core processor, a Phenom 2 X3 720, I think it is. Anyway, popped in an old hard drive that has Windows 10 on it. It actually came with this memory. It's actually 4 2 gig sticks that actually do work in it. A 550 watt non-modular power supply. And a couple cards in here, I'm not sure what they are, but they seem to be USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 extra USB ports on the back. One thing I've noticed that I probably want to take a look at, the CPU temperatures and everything. They're hovering around 50, 60, close to 70, even sitting in the BIOS. So let's see what they're sitting at now, because I took a little bit of this and you can still see there's still some more dust in here, especially around that heat sink. And probably gonna have to repaste that, but I'm gonna take a quick look at the BIOS temperature settings. And I reset the BIOS to default, so that way it wouldn't be running hot because it's overclocked. But okay, let's go down to PCI health. See, right now, sitting idle, right after boot, sitting at 53, 52 degrees Celsius. Shouldn't that be in like the 20s or 30s? I don't know. Okay, now after rebooting, downloaded and installed hardware monitor. And it's saying it's about 36 to 38 degrees Celsius, which should be normal. But does hardware monitor report this processor accurately? And the power package under there is anywhere from 39 watts to 97.5, and I thought it was a 95 watt TDP. So I'm not sure. I'm thinking I really should take this old Zillman heatsink off of here, clean it up, repaste it, and see if the numbers are any different. Okay, just took the cooler out. Yeah, that's pretty dry and crusty. It's got a weird Zillman cooler here, and that's pretty dry and crusty too. I don't know what the model number is on this thing. It looks like it could do pretty good, but I don't know. We're going to change that paste out and see how it helps, or if it helps. Okay, repaste it and put in there. It's just a kind of a weird way it latches in there, but these old hot dog fingers and everything. I went into the BIOS, and the BIOS said it was at like 28, 29 C. Here in hardware monitor, sitting there right now, it's between 26 and a high of 25 C. So I'm not sure if hardware monitor reports it differently than the BIOS says, but the repasting has dropped it down. We'll put it through a little bit of a stress test later. I went through a couple of graphics cards and everything. Two of my older graphics cards, it was like a Quadro FX 580. I put it in there, no display out. Another one that was a 512 card, no display out. So I'm stuck with this NVIDIA EVGA G4 7900S. It's only a 256 meg card, but it takes supplemental power. It takes a 6-pin power, and I think you have to use at least a 400 watt power supply for a 256 megabyte card. What the heck? So we'll see how the temperatures go under this. And like I said, we'll probably just use this one as a living room backup, light, internet browsing, YouTube watching. I doubt it. I doubt if that card's going to be supported under Roblox, but you never know. Okay, now we're just, we repasted it, of course, and we're trying this CPU stress test here. We'll let it run for like 5 or 10 minutes. Right now it's setting at about 43 because the test just started. So we'll see how that goes. Be back in about 5 or 10 minutes. All right, now it's been 44 minutes and we're still sitting at a max of 45 degrees Celsius. That's just with the CPU stress going. So that should be pretty good. Okay, so all in all, with this tower here, seems to work. Let's try that again. So all in all, with this tower here, it seems to work pretty good for its age. It kind of surprised me about how quick and snappy it is for as being a triple core processor, but it does have 8 gigs of DDR2, not 3. I thought it was a DDR3 board, but I guess it has like 128 megs of DDR3 built into the VRAM on it. I'm not sure if the RAM can be upgraded to 16 or 32. I'll have to look on the board specs. I do want to switch this hard drive here to an SSD. So I went on Amazon. I got one here, so I don't know if this one's only 128 gigs, so I might just save it for this Dell 1545 here that I might be doing a upgrade video on. But I'm just gonna clean the rest of this out because it's still really dirty here. Look, even got some fuzz there. Do a little bit of cable management here, and I might put the other card, the USB 3 card, back in there because I noticed it actually takes supplemental power through the back as well. The case, though, is an older Gigabyte case. I don't think I've ever seen one like that before, but you never know. It's in really good condition. It even has vents on the opposite side here where the motherboard back panel is, so that's interesting. Anyway, that's going to be it for this build, and we'll see what the next one has in store for us. Thanks for watching.